past the first terrible trap and its second terrible trap. Mud bubbles, right. I have one, but I'm warning you. You might as well hug it right now. That's how scary it is.
Okay. But I don't see any mud around here.
But warn them that they would not be able to keep it forever. Someday she will return and reclaim the forest as her own. So if you see a trail of gem dust, you'll know that it is... God